Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share one of Sri Lanka's most popular and beloved desserts, Watalappam. This rich and creamy treat is made with jaggery, coconut milk, eggs and a hint of cardamom. Watalappam has a deep caramel-like flavor and a silky pudding-like texture that is truly irresistible. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of making authentic Watalappam using traditional ingredients and simple methods, whether you prefer steaming or baking. Let's begin. Take 1 cup of jaggery powder, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder in a bowl. Mix well until the jaggery is fully dissolved. Set this mixture aside. In another bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk them thoroughly. Now, combine the beaten eggs with the jaggery coconut milk mixture and mix until well blended. Prepare your baking pan by greasing it with a little ghee. Then strain the coconut milk mixture through a sieve into the prepared pan to ensure a smooth texture. Cover the pan with a lid or aluminum foil. Steam it for about 30 minutes. You can also bake this dessert instead of steaming if you prefer. Once it is cooked, let it cool slightly. Place a serving plate over the pan and gently flip it over. Look at that gorgeous Watalappam, also known as coconut jaggery pudding. Slice it and serve immediately. It tastes amazing both warm and chilled. This delicious dessert is a must-have during Eid celebration in many Sri Lankan households. Rich, creamy and absolutely delicious Watalappam is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching.